Made a rush trip here to Water Country USA in Williamsburg, Virginia.
We're a little late on the opening of the slide, but we're here to ride the slide.
We were here back in May, and we
could have been one of the first.
I know, exactly.
We just missed it.
We were here in May. The RipTide Race was not open yet.
Yep.
Like, it opened maybe 2 weeks after we were here. So, so we came back this weekend. It is August. We came back for the last weekend of the summer nights over at the park at Busch Gardens. Our new slide, new raft ride, but it's a racer on the rafts. Yep. So we can't wait to try it out. We made a special point to get here in time this Friday evening just to try it. Hey, let's go ride.
One of a kind, side-by-side racing water slide. Your adventure on RipTide Race begins in an enclosed water flume, combining swift twists, rapid turns, and dueling side-by-side elements.
I will win.
You what?
No, you're done. You're done. We gotta beat her. We gotta beat her. We have to beat her. We're beating her. What happened? Still back there. Woo! Woo! We win. We won. We're done. We won. How's it feel to be a loser? Loser?
I'm leaving you this time.
No. We're gonna catch her. We're gonna run her down. Here we go. Where's she at? I died. That's my only gripe. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. We gotta catch her. Woo! Woo! We won. I did. I caught you. I run you down. Oh, we've been noticed.
Oh, Lord.
We ain't rode this thing in forever. This used to be the bee's knees.
I know. Woo!
It picks up.
It gets wild, right? Woo-hoo!
Excellent. Right about here. I forgot how good it was. Are you still the best ride in the park?
It's been so long, so we decided to give you a little bonus footage of Wild Thang. It's been so long since we've been able to ride that because it's been closed off for a couple years.
Yeah.
While they were working on Hey!
What's your name?
Faith.
Faith.
Yeah, hey, just out the back. But yeah, it's been closed off for a while because while they were tearing the Rampage down and building RipTide, but great ride.
Still
go for Wild Thang.
Best ride in the park.
It's like, I don't know, it might be the oldest.
Besides that. But that's the only thing that beats it.
I know. It might be one of the oldest, but it's the best.
Oh yeah.